Hey guys, this is Jennifer Wilson, your guide at Simple Scrapper. I am so thrilled to finally be announcing our Creative Hub class and bringing this exclusively to our Simple Scrapper members. The Creative Hub is your home base in scrapbooking and really for all of your crafty projects. It's one place to put your ideas, plans, projects, motivations, and any little bit of information that you want to keep track of. It's a project that you can customize to your own needs. You can make it physical and creative and totally analog in the real world, or you can make it digital and simple and streamlined and use some of your favorite digital tools. It's totally up to you. In this class, I'm going to share 4 different examples, but it's really just a launch point for you creating your own hub and building it from scratch in a way that's going to really serve your needs, so that you can have a scrapbook hobby that fills you up and fits your life. In this video, I'm going to share a few reasons why you might want to build a creative hub, but as well, I'm also going to share a few reasons why you might not. It's not for everyone, and the most important thing is to create a system that really works for you. A lot of our members have already found a lot of success with the Creative Hub, and I hope that you find this introductory video, as well as all of our materials in this class, helpful to you so that your hobby is exactly what you need it to be. First, let's dig into 3 reasons why the Creative Hub might not be right for you. If you are ultra minimal with your scrapbooking, you don't maintain a very large stash, you don't take a ton of classes, you're really just very simplistic and practical in scrapbooking, you might not need a Creative Hub at all. If things are flowing really well for you, don't feel like you need to add this tool into your repertoire if it's not a necessary addition. The counterpoint to this is if you see scrapbooking as this fun, creative adventure, building a Creative Hub might not be right for you if you feel content going with the flow and following your inspirations, and you don't feel a deeper need to get your ideas and your projects more organized. And perhaps most importantly here, if you're not ready to commit to using the Creative Hub as a tool that supports your memory keeping process, then don't start it. It's not a big deal. It's a choice you get to make, but you have to be ready for it. All right, if you're still feeling like the Creative Hub might be a solution you've been waiting for, here's 3 reasons to validate that gut instinct that you're having. You might be ready and waiting for the Creative Hub if you've gotten pretty decent at planning. You don't need to be an expert or perfect at mastering the art of planning your days. But if you know how to make lists and use a calendar and you're ready for that next step and to tackle your hobby with a project manager's perspective, then you're totally ready for a Creative Hub. I mentioned this already, but if you absolutely love lists, you're making lists and you're keeping them all over the place, and you'd love a centralized location for your lists, the Creative Hub is absolutely what you've been waiting for. And finally, if you've ever felt like your brain needs a good decluttering, you'd like to get things out of your head and onto paper, then I would love for you to join me in this Creative Hub class and continue on to build this one-stop shop resource that you need for your creative hobby.